Hey everybody, Paperclip here again. Gonna be playing some more EU4. Today is Manipur in the Animal Kingdom formation, where we have everything that we need to do this achievement. Except everything isn't animist yet. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 provinces to go. We're currently working, actually 6, because we're working on Cuttack. Cuttack won't be done until 1590, but this is like the best we can possibly make it right now at 2.8%, so we really should go for Cuttack at the moment. Alright, so let's see, where's the next best place to build this? Probably here at plus 2.2. Yeah, probably. Would it be better? I think it'd be better to get some production actually. Let's get some production. If it's 0.27, hell yeah, we're definitely going to go for production. Because that'll also give us more value in trade in this node, so therefore we should make more money. So it's like a win-win, because we'll make money from producing them and selling them, and we'll also make money from trading the goods to other people. And that's actually a pretty considerable amount. 0.2. I think that's more than I actually made. I think I only made 0.25 from putting a temple here. We'll make 0.27. Oh, sorry, I had my phone on vibrate next to the microphone. I'm sure that was pretty loud and annoying. The Ming-plosion is still going on. I kind of want to go to war with Kham. Kind of. Or we could go to war with Gondwana. Just make him a vassal and feed him like Andhara. You know what? Let's do that. Let's make him a vassal. Raise up the maintenance. Send him over to here. He has no allies. We still have a claim. This is perfect. So we can take that. We can make him our vassal. And we can go ahead and give him a bunch of that land. He isn't interested in this, right? Nope. He has no interest in it at all because we have interest in it. One more month. Just one more bloody month. I don't know why I said bloody. I never say bloody. I'm not from England. There we go. Just wipe his army real quick. Perfect. Do that. Then we're just gonna take 1 and 2. Split you, send you there, send you there. And you, sir, have no siege, so just go over to Cuttack, I guess. Try and make these guys happy. Tier Hut. You know what? Go up to Tier Hut, because they have separatists. And there we go. That's Gondwana. You guys can also go up there to Tier Hut. Oops. I think we should definitely go ahead and get like 5 more infantry build up, because we're still pretty low on our forces. That's only going to put us at 23,000 people. Okay, we have pretty good allies right now, so we should be able to survive just fine. Gain 3 inflation or lose the stability. I'd really rather not lose the stability, to be honest. Fuck it. Because I really want to just convert stuff faster, because that's what this achievement is. It's to convert everything to animist, own it, and basically make everything in the Bengal region follow what we tell them to follow. It's so beautiful outside here. It's been raining like the past 10 days straight. And today it's just nice and sunny. All the trees are in bloom, all colorful and shit. I sit right in front of my window when I play, so I just sit here and look out at the beautiful trees outside. We either refuse to import food and get some national unrest, We'll lose money in mercantilism. That'll lose us manpower though, but we'll gain mercantilism. Tell you what, if we knock that down to like there, we still can't make enough. We're gonna have to take a loan if we do that. I really don't want to take a loan, so you know what? Screw our manpower. I'm not taking a loan. We have too many loans already. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna take a bunch of their money though. They're gonna become our vassal. There we go. You guys can all go up to tierhood as well. And we'll go ahead and we'll get another 3 infantry up there. What the hell? That gives 26,000 troops. That'll be a decent amount. Between me and him we'll have 60,000, so I'll feel safe with that. Especially since Ming blew the fuck up. I'm surprised you hasn't broken free. Like, you actually got knocked down. There's also Meow. There's Yi. There's Z. There's Shu. There's Wu. There's Liang. There's Tang. So there's still a lot of people who could break free in Ming. You're still only allied with Lana and Pegu. So we could turn around and use this as a way to go to war with Pegu like we were thinking about. Which still might not be that bad of an idea to do. 0.21. Yes please. You're also silk, aren't you? Yeah, you're also silk. So this will give us more money here. You guys, we're gonna go ahead and start saying to fund you. If we go up here, we won't suffer any attrition. Now, why don't we do this? I'm gonna go to war with Dali. We will bring in Ava. Malwa will not join us against Pegu and Lana. I definitely think we can handle this. So yeah, let's do it. Let's wait until we get down there with full reinforced troops, because then we can just take out Pegu. Here we go. Pegu's dead. That didn't take much effort at all. We are going to go ahead and send 2 guys down to there, and the other guy's going to come over here and attack him. Just get rid of his army. And you can go up here and attack him, get rid of his army. You can go down here, attack him, get rid of his army. He's going to go over there and attack him. So I'm going to come right here. We're going to send these 2 guys over to there. And this war is still fairly evenly spiced. I'm surprised. I think that's because Lazang, is that Lazang? Yeah. Lazang, or Lunzang, basically sold him half his army. So we got a lot of extra free troops there. Ah shit, you guys weren't set to go home at war? I definitely wanted you guys to be set to go home at war. Crap. Well, we just lost some ships for really no reason at all, besides the fact that I apparently clicked to not have them go home at war at some point. I definitely thought they were set to go home at war. Oh well. So we need Koshajo. There's that one. Assam is farther up. We need Durang, Sadia, and Naga. So yeah, Assam's the hardest one, so let's go with Assam. I like to get the most difficult ones out of the way early if I can. That looks like someone else declared war on him. We're going to go up there, take Hakimi Long. Do you want that province? Damn, see, he does want that province. Well, don't worry, I think I'm going to give you some of Pegu down here. Or maybe I'll just give him Lana. I'll probably just give him Lana. See what, Lana, do you want to peace out? You do. I'll go ahead and give Ava that, and you give me a bunch of money, and we'll be fine. Yeah, that'll be fine. Let's go ahead and train up a merc so we can send him over there, so we have enough people to do that siege. He's got 12k down there. It's making me a little nervous. Let's go send 6k down there, just so we can finish up with Pegu, because I'd hate to lose his capital siege this close to having close to a full occupation with him, especially since he has all these troops down here. Like, he's got like 40 freaking k down here. We're gonna have to get a couple mercs down here. Yeah, it's fine. I'm hoping this will be enough to dissuade him from attacking me, but I can't guarantee it will be. Because he does have more numbers than I do. I just have a better general. And do I have better tech than him? I have better tech than most of them. Dali has me beat on tech. Running out of manpower to fuel this war. There we go, Siege of Pegu is done. So if I want Pantheon and Pegu, you would do it. I kinda want both of them. And you'll give me 52 bucks. How will this affect Ava? Ava's pretty adamant about wanting both of them because it would give him a lot more trade power. I could be nice and just give him one of the two provinces, but I really don't want to be nice to him at the same time. I could go ahead and give him like that one. Tell you what, let's just take these two. See how Ava feels. Ava's kind of upset about it. What if I wanted to sell a province to him? Maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll sell him Pegu. You can just go back home to Dhaka, because I don't think we'll need you anymore, because it's just us against Dali. We can send Ava a gift. I think we probably should, just to keep our relations high. Fine. Really don't want more inflation anyway, so knock that down so we don't have to worry about it. Does it matter if they get 10 more influence? No, not at all. I gave you a province, Ava. You should be happy. But you're not. That's the thanks I get for giving you an extra 17 development for your assistance in the war, is that you still don't like me anyway. I could give him Pegu. I'd rather not give him Pegu though. I could give him Hikamiti. It's not really that great of a province. I could give him Dali. That's probably what I'll do. I'll probably give him Dali. So if I give you that and I take that, he would be happy about it. He would do this right now, even without me doing the siege. Well, crap, yeah, then let's do it. And give us war reps. Sure, that'd be fine. Come on, man. I just gave you 17 plus 9. I just gave you 26 extra development. That's a good amount of extra development. It's mainly because of our aggressive expansion, I think. He has claims on some of this stuff. I really don't want to lose my alliance with Ava. What if I said I'll sell you Hikamti Long? How would you feel? What do you want?
So if I bought them lights for 8 lights I was talking about for $370 by the time I add cable and a transformer, we're still at 500 something bucks.
Okay, I don't care about the lights.
Yeah,
They're lights. I don't care about them.
I'll tell you whatever I want.
I know you will.
You're
That's
dead
why
anyway.
it's
You probably
annoying.
died.
Okay then. I don't know why you even bother knocking if you're just gonna barge the hell in the room anyway. I'll tell you what, I will sell him that province because it's gonna be worth 300 bucks. Because that'll allow me to pay back some loans. I'm pretty close to paying back another loan too. Now mercenaries. There's 5 of you guys. Go away. So how's our trade power now? Pretty good, it looks like. Delhi's claiming our lands again. Malwa's no longer allied to Delhi. That's interesting. There we go. I'll just keep giving them these crap provinces up here. I don't really care about those ones up there anyway. Let's go ahead and knock our funding back down. Pay back another loan. So we still have 4 loans of 850, almost 860 bucks. We can't even core any of these yet. So I'm kind of glad I sold him that one because it's just one less thing we have to core. He wants the trade provinces because he hasn't really gained much trade power. Because they gave him a Siam province and a Chengdu province. Let's see, let's just do Naga next. Then we have Durang, Koshijou, and Sadia, and we should have the achievement, right? Yeah, 'cause that's the Bengal region right there. It's pretty much all following our religion already, so not much longer. And we're pretty strong too, so I don't see us getting knocked out. Because we have almost as much force limit as Ming does, even though Ming kind of exploded. Delhi has more than us, but with us and Malwa combined, we have almost 100,000 force limit, so I'm not really worried about Delhi. The JJ down there is still really strong. We'll just forget about it. We still need freaking 5k to fully reinforce. So maybe I should go ahead and get another manpower building somewhere. Where would be the best? Probably here? Just gain the corruption, whatever. Probably here. Yeah, it looks like there. Let's do it. It's extra manpower, so can't really complain that much. We can start coring Pythian. Let's go ahead and do that. Really? Pegger separatists are about to rise already? It hasn't even been a year since I've taken your land, and you're already about to rise up in rebellion. Wow. Whatever, guys. Bunch of jerks. So where's your capital now? Down here. Why'd you pick that one? Aren't these better? Yeah, they're better, but I guess because they're close to me, you didn't want to risk it. Peggy makes a lot less money a month now, too. Haha. The discovery of the East Indian trade route has ushered in the age of the spice trade. Cool. So does that mean... No, they still don't have trade companies, so... I'm gonna have to attack them because I don't want to siege that fort back. That was easy. Go back up to Bengal Delta. We have lost the conquest against Kam, and now we have it against Shun. Well, Shun's pretty weak. They have 3 decent provinces, but that's about it. Shu is pretty good. He's a pretty nice province up here of Wushang. Dali has 1 okay province. Qi is pretty good. Jin is okay, but he doesn't really have much. Take the taxes, I guess. Let's see, we also need, what is it, Kochijou, Sadia. Go ahead and do Kochijou. So we need Kochijou, Durang, and Sadia. And we should be good. So we won't get him this episode. I was hoping we would get it all this episode, but I guess we'll get it next episode. Because I don't think we'll get this in like the next 5 minutes. So it is what it is, but... 0.22 sounds pretty nice. Should I just... We'll just go with the production, because that thing makes pretty good value for production right now. Because that'll increase the amount of local goods. Just go ahead and give that to the merchants too. It'll help this even more, which means we'll make even more money, which will be great. Let's knock this down again. There we go. At about a little under half funding, we're making almost 12 ducats a month right now. He's back from improving relations with Ava. We're at 131. Not quite as high as I would like it to be, but it's not really that bad either. Ming is warning them. We could guarantee them in turn. Nah, let's not. Are you allied with Vijayanagar? Of course you're allied with Vijayanagar. I think I'm gonna just build a spy network over here anyway. Delhi's still doing pretty good. He hasn't lost any lands yet. Sindh just expanded quite a bit. He just basically ate all of Gujarat. We might as well get a royal marriage with him and then improve relations with him, since he's our vassal. Try and make him like us more. So he wants to expand mainly down into Vijayanagar and up into Delhi. He doesn't care at all about the east. Good, because the east is ours. Harvest failure. Does that start an event chain? Is that what that does? Because it didn't give me any indication of what that did at all. Let's go ahead and get another tax building up here, just so we make a little extra money every month. It'll help us if we end up at war. Now I could move my capital to Bengal Delta. I don't know if I want to do that though. Oh, let's see. What could I convert things to? I can convert that to Oriya. How close is Oriya to being an accepted culture? Quite a bit away, but I think if we convert a lot of stuff, we could probably get it. I don't know if we'll get it in time, but we can still try. How much longer do you have separatism? 5 more damn years. Whatever. You and your 5 years of separatism. I could force him to convert religions. Make a lot more of this animist. I don't know though. I don't know if it's worth doing that. I want to pay back more loans. That's the next thing I want to do. So we've developed our country quite a bit. We got 3 new buildings up and going in the heart of our production area. Cuttack already has like as many buildings as they can have. So I see no point in really doing anything there. Now we could get a shipyard here. That would be something that would help us build more ships. You know what? Let's do it. Because we don't really have any shipyards for building ships. So we should probably get a couple of them. Maybe another one in like Balasore, Mindapur, Sundarbustaka, and Chittagong. Basically everything in the Ganges Delta. So what's our total development? 439. Pretty good, pretty good. We can get more trade efficiency. Or we could wait and tech up in Diplo. We should probably wait and just tech up in Diplo. Another thing I should probably do is raise my corruption routing, just so that is going down instead of up. Let's get a Diplo rep guy. We can go ahead and... No, I don't really need extra military stuff right now. Let's go ahead and get... Let's get rid of him and see what we get. Another missionary. That's actually really nice. Does that make things go even faster for us? But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and as soon as I get this missionary, put a cut in this episode. There we go. So that's where I'm gonna put a cut here. When we come back next time, I think we will be able to finish this achievement out because we only have 2 more provinces after Kosha Joe to convert, and we should be good. But until next time, see you guys later. Bye-bye.